Welcome, friends, to Learning Spanish. Bienvenidos, amigos. Today, we have an exciting lesson for you beginners, the Spanish numbers. We'll be covering the numbers 1 through 20, and in this video, we'll teach you how to pronounce each one of those numbers in Spanish. Let's get started. 1. The number 1 is pronounced uno. Say it with me. Uno. Okay, one more time. Uno. Very good. The number 2 is pronounced dos. Say it with me. Dos. Okay, one more time. Dos. Very good. The number 3 is pronounced tres. Say it with me. Tres. Okay, one more time. Tres. Very good. The number 4 is pronounced cuatro. Say it with me. Cuatro. Okay, one more time. Cuatro. Very good. The number 5 is pronounced cinco. Say it with me. Cinco. Okay, one more time. Cinco. Very good. The number 6 is pronounced seis. Say it with me. Seis. Okay, one more time. Seis. Very good. The number 7 is pronounced siete. Say it with me. Siete. Okay, one more time. Siete. Very good. The number 8 is pronounced ocho. Say it with me. Ocho. Okay, one more time. Ocho. Very good. The number 9 is pronounced nueve. Say it with me. Nueve. Okay, one more time. Nueve. Very good. The number 10 is pronounced diez. Say it with me. Diez. Okay, one more time. Diez. Very good. The number 0 is pronounced cero. Say it with me. Cero. Okay, one more time. Cero. Very good. Next. The number 11 is pronounced once. Say it with me. Once. Okay, one more time. Once. Very good. The number 12 is pronounced doce. Say it with me. Doce. Okay, one more time. Doce. Very good. The number 13 is pronounced trece. Say it with me. Trece. Okay, one more time. Trece. Very good. The number 14 is pronounced catorce. Say it with me. Catorce. Okay, one more time. Catorce. Very good. The number 15 is pronounced quince. Say it with me. Quince. Okay, one more time. Quince. Very good. The number 16 is pronounced dieciséis. Say it with me. Dieciséis. Okay, one more time. Dieciséis. Very good. The number 17 is pronounced diecisiete. Say it with me. Diecisiete. Okay, one more time. Diecisiete. Very good. The number 18 is pronounced dieciocho. Say it with me. Dieciocho. Okay, one more time. 18. Very good. The number 19 is pronounced 19. Say it with me. 19. Okay, one more time. 19. Very good. The number 20 is pronounced 20. Say it with me. 20. Okay, one more time. 20. Very good. Congratulations, amigos. You have concluded the Spanish numbers. You did great. Before you go, one more thing, amigos. If you're looking to speak Spanish fluently for your business or just for pleasure, click the link in the description box below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to be notified when the next video is released. Hasta luego, amigos!